Are you a middle-class individual struggling with your finances? If so, you're not alone. Many people in the middle class face financial difficulties due to certain habits and financial decisions they make. Let's take a closer look at the 7 common habits that often contribute to these struggles. Firstly, one of the main issues is living beyond your means. Spending more money than you earn is a major problem that can lead to accumulating debt. This debt can make it incredibly challenging to save for the future and achieve financial stability. Another habit that plagues many middle-class families is having high levels of debt. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or mortgages, carrying substantial amounts of debt can be overwhelming. It's crucial to properly manage and reduce your debt in order to improve your overall financial health. A lack of budgeting is another common habit that can lead to financial difficulties. Without a clear budget, it's easy to lose track of your expenses and end up overspending. Budgeting is a vital tool that helps you understand where your money is going and enables you to make more informed financial decisions. Impulse buying is a habit that many people struggle with, regardless of their social class. Making unplanned purchases can quickly drain your savings and leave you in a vulnerable financial position. It's important to distinguish between needs and wants to avoid giving in to impulse buys. Investing in depreciating assets is another habit that can hinder wealth accumulation. Spending money on items that lose value over time, such as expensive cars or gadgets, can prevent you from building long-term wealth. It's crucial to consider investments that have the potential to grow in value over time. Neglecting savings and investments is a habit that holds many middle-class individuals back from achieving financial stability. Failing to save regularly or invest wisely can prevent your wealth from growing. It's essential to prioritize saving and consider long-term investments that can potentially provide you with a secure financial future. Lastly, subscription overload is a habit that can add up to significant expenses without you even realizing it. Many people have multiple subscriptions for services that they rarely use. Reviewing and canceling unnecessary subscriptions can save you a considerable amount of money in the long run. By addressing these habits and making proactive changes, you can greatly improve your financial stability and pave the way for a more secure future. If you have any specific financial habits that you'd like to discuss or need advice on, feel free to reach out. Remember, with the right habits and choices, you can overcome financial struggles and achieve your financial goals.